For this video, we'll take a look at how students will continue to progress through Unit 4 using the tens place to compare two numbers. The main standard we'll focus on for this video is NBT3, where students will be comparing two-digit numbers based on the value of the tens and ones digit, recording the results of comparison with the symbols less than, greater than, or equal to. So by the end of Unit 4, students will have had multiple practices with building representations of numerals using manipulatives, drawings, and scales. The goal is for students to move fluently in their proof statements to support their claims of a numeral being less than, greater than, or equal to another numeral. In building their fluency, hopefully students can begin to see these two numbers like 53 and 46 and be able, before having to utilize manipulatives or drawings, start to be able to say 53 would be greater than 46. And then as they're moving into a proof statement, they could use the tens place as a focus that 53 would have 5 groups of 10 and 46 would only have 4 groups of 10. If students are still inconsistent, one of the things we'll notice is that they're holding those last two digits in their head, the 3 and the 6, and focusing on those to then say 46 would be greater than 53 because they're focusing on the last two numerals heard in the digits. If students are showing some of those inconsistencies, we want to make sure that we're bringing back the manipulatives or their quick pictures or even the scales to continue to give them opportunities to build those numbers so that they can have a visual to see that there are 5 groups of 10 and only 4 groups of 10 and 46, making 53 greater. One of the tricks used in kindergarten is that students can line up to compare that can be brought back for them to see as they're able to manipulate and move that this one would have one more 10. So that can be used as you're giving them more opportunities to begin to trust those numerals. So through building representations with those manipulatives using drawings and their scales, one of the goals is for students to begin to focus on the tens place to minimize this inconsistency.